say.
This is sweetheart.
Look away now. Oops, I put my shirt on there.
You right there? It's okay.
Sweetheart. What are you doing there? You doing stretch? Hey, I'm a nice little baby. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm Caitlin. You nice girl? You nice baby? Yes, you are. You have a nice stretch there. Go to the doctors this afternoon? Would you go see the doctor this afternoon? See how you're getting on? I think so. You'll be a good girl in there. See, I'm always a good girl. I'm always a good girl. Yes, I am. Yes, yes, I am a good girl. Oh! Oh,
She hasn't got Patrick's cold.
little sneeze? Little sneeze for little baby? Yes, little sneeze for little baby. Oh, sweet little girl. Yes, you are. See? Because we say we don't like that. We say we don't like that. I know. We say, what can we do though? What can we do? We just have to wait till they go. Oh, hiccups. We say we don't like that. We don't like that. What can we do?